welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Dimma, and today I'll be trying out an organic recipe. It's called the turmeric facial mask. This is a very popular recipe, and it is majorly Indian women are known to use it for cooking and for their beauty and skincare. Turmeric is known to be a skin brightening agent. It also helps to it removes acne, pimple, dark spots, and also I think it exfoliates your skin. Well, I found out lately that I started breaking out and having all this acne, dark spots and all that. Then I've been researching and trying to find out what I can use to clear those spots. I stumbled upon a video on turmeric facial mask and I decided to try it out. So I hope you guys keep watching and let's see what result I'll get after my first day. I intend doing this for 5 days and let's see how it goes. So before I do that, I want to show you guys what my face looks like at the moment. See all those dark spots here too, my forehead. Now I have this pimple too. I don't know, I guess it's school stress that is just causing all these breakouts, but I hope with this recipe my skin will glow. And I'm a person that don't like using all this chemical products. I love natural or organic products, and I pray and I hope this thing will be the solution. This will be the solution I need to my breakouts. If you want to see the results I'll get and the ingredients I used with the turmeric powder, just stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more informative and entertaining content.
The first thing we need is a plate for the mix. Then we need our turmeric powder, the major ingredients. We also need a spoon to measure. We need also honey, lemon, and we also need a knife to cut the lemon. Also, we need little water, then a towel to prevent stain, then a hair net. Then this is my foundation brush. We use it to apply. So first thing first, you measure a tablespoonful of turmeric powder, then you take 1 teaspoon of honey, then you slice your lemon, cut it into 2, and squeeze in 1 section of the lemon into, squeeze out the juice into the mix. And now we're going to add water to it, little, let's say 1 ounce of water. Then we mix up with our foundation brush. Now you have to cover your hair. Turmeric stains, I say turmeric stains, like it really stains. Then you need your towel again. This towel will prevent it from touching your shirts or anything you're putting on. I will advise you probably tie a towel that you don't want to use anymore or something, because this thing stains a lot. Then you apply it to your face. Make sure you avoid your lashes. I know I covered up my lashes, my eyelashes, but when you're doing yours, please avoid your lashes. And please, if you don't like lemon, you can use milk instead. I applied this thing on my face and my neck, and I kept rubbing and rubbing and rubbing so that it really penetrate my skin. You can apply it anywhere you want to have an effect on. So you can cover up the remaining one and keep in your refrigerator. Now after 30 minutes, your face will start feeling very tight, and yes, it will start hurting. So I need to get dried. So I feel you should wash up with water, then you wipe with your towel. You clean the remaining parts of the turmeric color on your face. I'm sure you can see the yellow spot things on my face. That's like the stains I got. So I'm going to exfoliate with this Hit the Spots 5-in-1 exfoliator. You wash your face with any facial scrub you have to remove the remaining stains, like the yellow things you are seeing on my face now. Then you wash off and you wipe again with your towel. Now I'm going to use coconut oil. Yep. And I'm going to apply it on my face. I'm actually seeing a difference already. Like my face is glowing in a way. and it looks a bit lighter. Whoa, my face feels so fresh and so smooth. This is my day one result. Actually, it stained my fingers, so I advise you get gloves when you're applying this. So my face feels so fresh, and I still have some dark spots after my day one. But after day 5, my face looks entirely different. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Look at what it looks like at day 1, like before I applied the max. And this is what it looks like after applying it for 5 days. I was so surprised. I am so excited. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you. Bye. Please subscribe oh, if you want more videos from this channel. It is free. Please support your girl, support this ministry, and I'll bring you more videos. You can also reach me on the following platforms, guys. I'm very active and I reply very fast. Leave a comment below, don't forget that one, and also like. I love you.